Take a look at this 2008 Kia Rondo LX V6, one owner, 3 rows of seats, all the power equipment, 93,000 original miles. Look how clean this thing is. This car is $59.95. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that right here on the premise. This is a 7-passenger with a clean Carfax. And I believe this is the car that helped make the Beach Boys famous, helped me Rondo. You might have heard that back in the day. So come check this out at Tempest Motors and help yourself to Rondo. Thanks for looking.